Hey, it's Tom again at Tom's Radio Room Show, and in the last video I was trying to show you the fake fine tuning knob, but the camera was zoomed in too much, so I thought I'm gonna go ahead and do a little short video and show you what I meant to show you. So this is the Tecsun radio again, the R-304P, and over here is the tuning knob, and it kind of give you a fake looking fine tuning. See, there's two concentric knobs, but it's all one knob. So no matter whether you hold on the outside or the inside, it's tuning the same. See it, like if I hold the outside rim here, I can't move the inside, or however you want to call it. So it's fake. It does give you a little bit of fine tuning, just the fact that the radius or diameter of the two knobs is slightly different, but you won't even notice it. So I just wanted to point that out because I kind of messed up with the camera being zoomed in too far and you didn't get to see what I was showing you. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.